Can we check if someone reported our Instagram account? Hi everybody! Today in this video we are going to find out if we can do that or not. For that, once you can open up your Instagram, log into your account, and you should be finding this interface. So from here, let's head over to our profile page first. Once we head over here, we can find a menu bar at the top right. Let's go over there and see if there is any option that lets us check if someone has reported our Instagram account or not. So when we hit over here, we will be finding different options that we have for our own account, but not something like to check if someone has reported our Instagram account yet, because Instagram does not allow us that. We cannot check who reported our Instagram account, as reports are very anonymous and Instagram does not disclose the identity of the reporter to the reported user. That is because Instagram encourages users to report content accounts that violates the platform's guidelines without the fear of retaliation. So that is one of the reasons why. So if your account or content violates the community guidelines, that may be the reason why someone has reported our Instagram account. So for now, that is how we find out we cannot check if someone has reported our Instagram account for now. So I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching this video.